Sell, sell, sell! Crypto Billionaire 69! Back with another daily, in-depth technical analysis. And my friends, congratulations to all of you beautiful people in the Patreon. I issued a buy alert the other day. So all of you who decided to follow along, not financial advice, simple Crypto Billionaire 69 opinions. But you'll be nice right now. Now, this can be temporary, okay? Don't get too crazy about it. And keep your emotions on the low, because those are never good to have. But this last video told you guys this is nothing to watch unless we come up to the top of this previous wick, and that's exactly what we did. So, what do we need to see now? Okay. We will probably see a little bit of a retracement, but we want to see it bounce back off these 525 levels, and then move higher. What the heck is that? Let's look at the, well, I don't know what that is. Candlesticks, there we go. Let's go to the 2-hourly candles. Okay, so we already did see a little bit of a retracement back down. Now, if it breaks back through that would be very nice. In fact, it would be necessary. We want to break through these levels, these 591s, and then the 635s are our next stop to resistance, right? This is our next point we need to watch for a retracement. But if we do break through these 6 levels within the next couple hours, that is a very good sign that this could be a new floor, all right? And all of you who got in, I personally got in around the 4-2 levels. I think I issued this around the 4-2s, and then it dropped even more afterwards. So all of you who got in, congratulations. You're about to be 100%. Check out the Patreon if you're not in it. It's a very good time to get in it. So you don't miss out on any of these golden opportunities to make 100% in a couple days. Anyways, that's what we're looking at today. And yeah, my friends, we want to see this push up to these 634s. We want to see it. Okay, today we want to see it push through these 6 levels and close above. If we can see that, now it's going to be very hard to do. But if we can see it, that is a very bullish scenario. And that means that this is most likely a new floor, because that's a lot of buying pressure, my friends, a lot. What will most likely happen is us come back down to these 525s. We'll stagger around here, and then bounce off if this is a reversal trend. Now, if it's not, this could be just another one of these, right? But it doesn't look like it, because that is a doji candle, and it's looking very nice at this moment. Let's go ahead and draw this fib level out. Swing low, swing high. As we can see, kind of, we have broken through this. That's the entire fib level. We've broken through the bottom of these 786s. Boom. But we retraced. We started retracing right as we came back down to here. We hit all the way in the 350s, guys. That's awesome. A couple of you guys on the Patreon reached out to me, said you got in around the 3s or low 4s. So very good. Very kudos to you, my friend. Because if you got in around the 4s, then this will be 100%. If you got in around the 3s, then this will be 100%. You're pretty much up 100% right now. If you got it. Well, no, you're not. You got to wait a little more, probably around here. But, my friends, it's not about the short-term gains. 100% is really measly in the grand scheme of things. You can make 100% with your eyes closed, to be completely honest with you. Whenever the markets are low like this, you can. If you know what you're doing, and if you know technical analysis, if you know emotional analysis, then you will understand that there's so many opportunities in every corner of the market at this point. It's just about a matter of knowing what you're doing, okay? Now, if you don't know what you're doing and you want real-time guidance, check out the Patreon. If you want to know what you're doing, someone's screaming in the other room. That is extremely annoying. I apologize for that. If you want to... They're yelling at the dog. If you want to figure out how to do it on your own, check out the course. The link is in the description. It'll take you around an hour, hour and a half to finish. And you'll be able to go into any coin and know how to make a profit with it. That being said, let's check out the overall market. And I want to hop on this crypto fear and greed index real quick. I want to see if we are under that 10 level. 10. Nope, we are hitting the 10s. Still, Bitcoin has retraced back through these $30,000 levels to the upside. And, okay, we've definitely seen some pain here. Now, the question is the pain sufficient enough to satisfy the institutions? Now, personally, I hope it drops down to these $24,000, $23,000 levels. That will show everybody who is still clinging on will be like, "There's no way I'm doing this anymore. I'm not doing this anymore," and they'll sell off. Okay, they're like, "I need to take my retirement and leave. I'll take the 20% out of my initial portfolio." And then the institutions will come and scoop it up and then move this crap higher than all-time highs. It's going to happen, my friends. I'm telling you. It's not even me telling you. It's historically proven, okay? I'm just relaying the facts through history. I'm only the medium of exchange, okay? Just a matter of time. A lot of people are reaching out and saying, like, this has been going on for months, and it has been going on for months. That is true. Yeah, we have been in a downtrend for months now, many months. But whenever it spikes, look how fast it spikes. From September 30th to October 20th, Bitcoin went from 40,000 to almost 70,000. Okay? Did you hear me? 40,000 to almost 70,000. That's a major move. That's almost 100% on the biggest coin in crypto. Do you understand what the smaller coins were doing at that point? Coins like Dogelon Mars, Bitcoin is up 8% right now. Dogelon Mars is up 35, I believe. So imagine Bitcoin with that ratio. Let me pull out my calculator. A 4.3% ratio. So if Bitcoin went up 100%, that means Dogelon Mars would go up 435 just based on the small movement we've seen here. Okay? 145%. That's how much Dogelon Mars would go up. And personally, it would go up much more. Not personally, but it would go up much more, and this is why. Dogelon Mars, once it starts seeing that type of traction, it will hit mainstream news, the marketing will take off, and this will become the next Shiba Inu. Okay? That's just what's going to happen. It's just a matter of time, my friends. It's just a matter of time. We are super low. Look at the volume we saw here. Now, all of these holders, I'm sure there's still some holders here, but a lot of them probably took profits around here. I'm sure there are some, but these early holders, right? Most of them are probably out. I'm sure there's a couple big whales still lying around waiting to eat some krill, but they're going to eat that krill whenever it's freaking going, guys. Right now, we are the early people. We are early on this. Extremely early. So, my friends, 1 second, I'm filming a video. My friends. My friends, I am very Very excited for the future. I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69. Excuse the very, very inconsiderate people in the background. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Check out the Patreon.